Hello everyone and welcome back to my class. Today in this video I will cover class 7 maths chapter number 13 exercise 13.2. So till exercise 13.1 we have completed. So today in this video I will discuss exercise 13.2 question number 1. So in the introduction part I have given some important law of exponential. So please you have to by heart all that, you have to know all that law of exponential, okay, before solving this exercise. Now, using the law of exponent, simplify and write the answer in exponent form. Now we have to use the law of exponent, okay. So what is the law of the first law of exponent was what? The first law of exponent was a to the power m multiply with a to the power n is equal to what? A to the power m plus n. That means using this exponential form, okay, using this exponential law, when base are same and they are multiplied, then power will be plus, isn't it? So power will be plus. So what is given here? Here it is given 3 to the power 2. So one question is given what? Using this exponential law, 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 4, sorry, multiply 3 to the power, sorry, what is this? 8, isn't it? Now if base are same, then power will be plus, isn't it? That is why 3 to the power 2 plus 4 plus 8. So you have to plus all this. Now when you will plus all this, how much you will get? 14, isn't it? So what is the answer? So we have to write in the exponential form, isn't it? So no need of multiplying 14 times. So directly you will keep in the exponential form, that is 3 to the power 14. So what is the answer? Answer is 3 to the power 14. So which law we are using? We are using the first law, isn't it? Now second is given what? Question number 2 is given 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10. Now here they are in divided, isn't it? They are in divide and base are same. If base are same, then power will be what? Power will be minus, isn't it? In this case power will be minus because they are in divide. So which law we have to use here? We have to use the second law of exponent, isn't it? Second law of exponent we have to use here. So what is the given question here? Here it is given 6 to the power 15 divide 6 to the power 10, isn't it? 6 to the power, let me see the question again. Yes, 6 to the power 10. So which law we are using? Second law. What is the second law? Second law is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n, isn't it? So if they are in divide, then we have to do minus, isn't it? Power will get minus, that means 15 minus 10. So 15 minus 10 is equal to how much? 6 to the power 5. So what is the answer? Answer is 6 to the power 5, okay. In this way we have to solve. So hope you have understood. Any doubt you can ask me. If they are divide, base are same, then what we have to do? We have to minus, isn't it? So now next question is given, question number 3 is given a to the power 3 multiply a to the power 2. So this is what they are multiplied and power will be plus. So this question is homework, and question number 4 is also homework. Question number 6 also you can do. Question number 6 also homework. Now I will solve question number 5, okay. These are homework. These questions I will keep as a homework. This question I will keep as a, okay, this one already I have solved. Now I will solve question number 5. Question number 5 is given 5 to the power 2. Then again this is what? Power of a power, isn't it? There is 2 power. Power of a power means what? Power will get multiplied, isn't it? We have already explained about this law also. Now 2 power means 2 power will get multiplied. That means 5 to the power 2 into 3. Then again divide 5 to the power 3. Now when you will solve this, 2 3s are how much? 6, isn't it? So 5 to the power 6 divide with 5 to the power 3. Now again what? Base are same. So what is the base? Base is 5. So and they are in divide. So what you will do? You have to minus the power, isn't it? We have to minus the power. So when you will minus the power, then 6 minus 3 is equal to how much? 5 to the power 3. So what is the answer? Answer is 5 to the power 3. That means 5 is multiplied 3 times with 5 itself, isn't it? But we have to keep the answer in exponential form. So what is the answer? 5 to the power 3 is the answer, okay. So in this way you have to do. If 2 power is there, then you will not do plus, okay, you will not do 2 plus 3 5, you will do what, multiply, okay. 2 into 3 is how much, 6. Now they are in divide, base are same, then power will get minus. So you have to remember all this law and you have to use the law in this question, in this type of question. Now next question. Now question number 7. Now question number 7, what you can see here, power are same and they are multiplied, then and base are different. If power are same and they are multiplied and base are different, then what you will do, you will multiply the base, isn't it? You will multiply the base. So how you will multiply the base? Here it is given, a to the power 4 multiply b to the power 4, isn't it? So this is question number 6, isn't it? So in this case what you will do, you will multiply a multiply b, and power is same, that means power will be 4. So what you will get, ab to the power 4. So what is the answer? ab to the power 4. So which law we are using here? We are using exponential law 3 or 4. It was, I think, 4, isn't it? We are using 4. So now come back to the next question. Question number 6. Oh, it was 7, isn't it? It was question number 7. Sorry, I made mistake. I wrote question number 6, but please write question number 7. Okay. Now I will solve question number 8 is also homework, because here 2 power means what? You will just multiply, isn't it? 3 4s are 12. That means 3 to the power 12. So what is the answer for this? Answer will be 3 to the power 12. Okay. This one I will not explain. So now question number 10 is also what? Base are same and they are divided. Then you will do minus t minus 2. Okay. 8 to the power t minus 2 will be the answer. Now question number 9 I will solve you. So question number 9, what is given here? 2 to the power 20 divide 2 to the power 15. So when we used to solve some expression, so we use what, Bodmas rule, isn't it? Before is, if there is any bracket, then we used to solve the bracket first, isn't it? So we have to solve these two first, okay. It will remain same. Now if you will solve these two, now base is what, same, and they are divided, then power will be minus, isn't it? So power will get minus. That means 20 minus 15, then again multiply with 2 to the power 3. Now when you will solve this, how much you will get? 2 to the power 5, isn't it? 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 3. Now again what, the base are same and they are multiplied, and power will be plus. Power will be plus means 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 means what? 2 to the power 8. So what is the answer? 2 to the power 8 is the answer for this question. So if there is any bracket, then you have to solve the bracket first, okay. After that again you will solve the remaining part. So hope you have understood. So you can see this, or you can pause my video and you can complete the notes. So now I will explain next question. Now next question, simplify and express each of the following in exponent form. So this one also we have to write in exponential form, means in power form we have to write, okay. So first given expression is 2 to the power 3 multiply 3 to the power 4 multiply with 4, and 3 to the 3 multiply with 32. Now we have to solve this, and we have to simplify, and we have to write them in exponential form, okay. So how you will write? So this is the given question, isn't it? So what is given? 2 to the power 3 multiply 3 to the power 4 multiply 4, and 3 multiply 32. Now this 32, what you will do? This 32 you will express in exponential form, okay. So how you will express? You will find the prime factor of 32. Then what you will get? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 you will get how many times? 5 times, okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now you will write this in exponential form. That means 2 how many times? 5 times. That means how you will write? 2 to the power 5, isn't it? So 32 is equal to what? 2 to the power 5. Now you will see which are common. Now you can see here 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2. That means these two are same. Now here 4 was there, isn't it? So 4 is also written as 2 into 2. So when you will write in exponential form, you will get 2 to the power 2. Now you can see here base is 2 and this one also base is 2, isn't it? So if base are same, then power will get plus, isn't it? That is why 2 to the power 3 plus 2 and multiply with 3 to the power 4. Then upon 3 multiply 2 to the power 5. Now we know this, isn't it? This law, using this law, this become 3 plus 2. Now 3 plus 2 is equal to how much? 5, isn't it? So this one 2 to the power 5 and multiply with 3 to the power 4. Now what you can see here, this base is 2 and here also you can see base is what? 2 to the power 5, isn't it? And this one base is 3. So what we can do now, they are in divide. Now what we can write? We can write them separately. 2 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 5 here. Again this will multiply with 3 to the power 4 upon 3. Now that means base are same and they are multiply. So if base are same and they are multiply means what? 2 to the power 5 minus 5, isn't it? Here it is power is 5 and here also power is 5. So 5 minus 5 multiply with, now here power is 4 and here no power means what? Power will be 1. So here it will be 3 to the power 4 minus 1. So 5 minus 5 is equal to how much? 0. That means what we got? 2 to the power 0. And for next what we got? Multiply with 3 to the power 4 minus 1 is 3, isn't it? So what? 3 to the power 3. Now what we know? We know any number whose power is 0, value will be what? 1, isn't it? So 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1 and multiply with 3 to the power 3. So we have to write the answer in exponential form. So what is the answer? Answer is 3 to the power 3 to the power 3 is the answer for this question. Okay, 3 to the power 3 is the answer for this question. Okay, now come back to the next question. So next question you can see. Second question is given what? 5 to the power 2, then again bracket 3 and 5 to the power 4 bracket divide 5 to the power 7. Now what you will do? You will solve this bracket, small bracket first. Okay, so when you will break that bracket, what you will get? 5 to the power 3 into 2, isn't it? Or 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to how much? 6. So 5 to the power 6 multiply with what? 5 to the power 4. Then again divided with what? Divided with 7 to the power 4. Oh sorry, 7 to the power what? 7 is, this is what? 5 to the power 7. Now these two you can see base are same, then power will be what? Plus. That means 6 plus 4 again divided with 5 to the power 7. Now if you will plus, then you will get 5 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 7. Now they are in divide and base are same, then power will be minus, isn't it? Power will be minus. So if you will do minus, then you will get 5 to the power 3. So what is the answer for this question? So answer is 5 to the power 3. So in this way you have to solve. Okay, hope you have understood. So write it down in your notebook. Now come to next question, question number 3. Question number 3 you can see what is given. 25 to the power 4 divide with 5 to the power 3. Now this 25 you have to write in the exponent form. This 25 what we can write? 25 is equal to 5 into 5, isn't it? So 5 into 5 means what? 5 to the power 2. So what you will write? Instead of 25 you will write 5 to the power 2. Then again power is what? Then again power is 4. Again divided by 5. Now when you will solve, then 5 to the power 2 into 4 is equal to 8 and divided by 5 to the power 3. Sorry, 3 is here, isn't it? Now they are divide, then power will, now base are same and they are divide, then power will get minus. So 8 minus 3 is equal to how much? 5 to the power, sorry, 5 to the power what? 5, isn't it? So what is the answer? Answer is 5 to the power 5 is the answer for question number 3. Hope you have understood. Now you can take the screenshot and you can write this answer. Now I will erase this and I will explain next question. Now question number 4, question number 5 I will keep as homework. Now I will solve question number 6. Okay, so question number 6 I will solve now. So question number 6 what is given? 2 to the power 0, sorry, 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0. Now from here what we know? Any number whose power is 0 is equal to what? 1, isn't it? Because a to the power 0 is equal to what? 1. So for any whole number, if the power is 0, then value will be 1. Now 1 plus 1 plus, sorry, this is not multiply, plus 1 is equal to how much? 3. So what is the answer? So answer for question number 6 is 3, isn't it? So in the same way, question number 7 and question number 8 is your homework. So here multiply, so you will do multiply. 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power is also 1, and 4 to the power is also 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to what? 1. So in this way you will solve. And here also where it is plus you will do plus, where it is multiply you will do multiply. In this way you will solve question number 8. Now question number 9, you can see here what is given here. 2 to the power 8 and a to the power 5 and 4 to the power 3 and a to the power 3 is given. Now you can make this 4 what you can make? 4 we can make 2 to the power 2, isn't it? So we have to write in the exponent form. So 4 exponent form is what? 2 to the power 2. Now if this is 2 to the power 2, then this 2 to the power 8, they will be of same base, isn't it? So how you will write this? So this is the question. 2 to the power 8 multiply a to the power 5, then again upon 4 to the power 3 and a to the power 3. Now what we can write? Instead of 4 we can write 2 to the power 2, isn't it? So what you will write? 2 to the power 8, and here you will write 2 to the power 2, then again 3 is also there, so you will write again 3, then multiply with a to the power 5 upon a to the power 3. This is 3, okay? Then now it will become 2 to the power 8 and 2 to the power 2 3s are how much? 6, isn't it? So multiply with a to the power 5 and a to the power 3. Now when these are divide and base are same, that means power will get minus like this, isn't it? Power will get minus. Then a to the power again 5 minus 3. Now 8 minus 6 is equal to how much? 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. That means 2 to the power 2 multiply with a to the power. Now 5 minus 3 is equal to how much? 2. So what is the answer? Answer is 2 to the power 2 and a to the power 2 is the answer for this question. So in this way you will solve. So wherever you can see a number, that number you have to, means the number which is not in exponential form, you have to convert them into exponential form, okay? You have to convert them into exponential form. So this is the solution for this question. Now come to the next question. So question number 9 I have completed. 10, 11, 12 also I will keep as a homework, okay? If you have any doubt in any question, you can comment below in the comment section. I will try to solve that question again, okay? So for as of now I am solving only this much, okay? So please try to solve the remaining question by yourself. Now come to next question, question number 3. Now question number 3 is given. Say true or false and justify your answer. So we have to say true or false, okay? Now here it is given 10 multiply 10 to the power 11 is equal to 100 to the power 11. So it is true or false, we have to solve, isn't it? Now if you will solve 10 multiply 10 to the power 11, so now base are same, means what? The power will become plus, isn't it? So here is no power, means what? 1 plus 11 is equal to how much? 10 to the power 12. And this is what? This is right hand side, isn't it? This is right hand side. And what is given in the left hand side? So left hand side is given what? 100 to the power 11. That means from here you can see this 10 to the power 12 is not equal to 100 to the power 11. That is why LHS, sorry, this is R, okay? This is right hand side. LHS is not equal to RHS. So they are not equal, means it will be what? False, isn't it? It will be false. So the first statement will be false. Now second one is given what? 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 2. Now 2 to the power 3, if you will multiply, what you will get? 2 to the power 3 means what? 2 is multiplying how many times? 3 times, isn't it? So how much you will get? You will get 8. Now again 5 to the power 2, that means 5 5s are how much? 5 5s are 25. Now which is greater? 25 is greater, isn't it? That means 5 to the power 2 is greater, but here it is given 2 to the power 3 is greater. So that means this will be what? False, okay? This will be false. So question number, next question number 3 and 4 is your homework. Now I will not say about this, so you just try to solve this question by you, okay? By yourself. So they are true or false, you have to just say, and you have to give the reason also why they are true and why they are false. Now come to next question, question number 4. 4 is given. Express each of the following as a product of prime factor only in exponential form, okay? We have what we have to do? We have to write them in exponential form, isn't it? So what is given? 108 and 192 is given, so we have to write them in the exponential form. Now what you will do, you will find the prime factor of 108 and 192. So when you will do prime factor of 108, you will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So how you will do 108, you will take out the prime factor in this way. Okay, you will take out the prime factor in this way. So I'm just solving only for this one. Then again it will divisible with 2, isn't it? So again it will divisible with now 3. It will, how many times? 3 nines are, then again it will divisible with 3, then 3 1 time. So what we got 2 multiply 2 time and 3 multiply how many time? 3 time. That means it will become 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 3. So in the same way 192, when you will take out the prime factor, you will get all this. Okay, 2 how many time we got? 6 time, and 3 only 1 time. So 3 only 1 time. Now again from here, which are same now? Which are same now? This is 2 and this base is also 2, isn't it? So this writing is little mistake. So what you will do now, this 2 is same. That means 2 to the power 2 plus 6, isn't it? 2 to the power 2 plus 6 and multiply with 3 to the power 3 plus and another one no power, means it will be 1. Now 2 to the power 6 plus 2 is equal to how much? 8, and 3 to the power how much? 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So this is the answer. Okay, so these are going down, but it is a typing mistake. It should be in the up power, isn't it? This will be in power. So what is the answer? 2 to the power 8 multiply with 3 to the power 4 is the answer for this question. So question number 4, I am solving only this much, and the remaining also you will do in the same way. Okay, so it is very easy. So I am not showing the explanation for this. What you will do, you will just find the prime factorization and you will write them according to them. If you are getting 2, 2, 4, how many times? 3, 5, whatever you are getting, just you have to write them in the exponential form. So it is very simple. Now I will explain question number 5. So question number 5 is very important, and please listen carefully for this question. Here it is given 2 to the power 5, then again power 2, isn't it? Then multiply with 7 to the power 3. Now 7, can we take out a factor of 7? No, isn't it? Because 7 is a prime number, so 7 we cannot write in the exponential form. So 7 just we can write 7 to the power 1 only. Okay, so for we cannot factorize this 7, so 7 will remain same. Now for 8, so 8 can be written in the exponential form, because 8 can written as 2 into 2 into 2. That means 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Okay, so 8 can be written as in the exponential form. How? 2 to the power 3. So we have to write in place of 8, we have to write 2 to the power 3. Then again power 3 is there, that means there will be 2 3. Okay, there will be double power. So I will show you the solution for this. So you can see here, this is the solution. Now in place of 8, what you can write? 2 into 2 into 2. So this 2 into 2 into 2, we can again write 2 to the power 3, isn't it? 2 to the power 3, and the remaining are same. Okay, and the remaining are same. Now this is 2, and here also you can see 2, isn't it? Because 3 3s are how much? 9, isn't it? So what we got, you can see this step. So when 3 and 3 will multiply, it will become 9, isn't it? And remaining values are same. Now here you can see base are same and they are divide. So base are same, they are divide, means power will get minus. So 10 minus 9, isn't it? So this will be 10 minus 9. Then multiply with 7 to the power 3, and here is no power, that means 1 is the power. So 7 to the power 3 minus 1. So 7 to the power 3 minus 1 is equal to how much? 7 to the power 2, and 10 minus 9 is equal to 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 means what? 2, isn't it? And 7 to the power 2 means 7 into 7. So 7 into 7 is equal to how much? 98. Okay, 2 into 7 is equal to 98. So in this question it is given simplify, isn't it? So simplify means we will not write them in the exponential form. At last we will find the value. Okay, we will simplify them, we will find the value. So if in the question it is asked to write in the exponential form, then we will keep here. Okay, but it is asked to simplify means we have to find the value. 98 is the answer for this question. So now come back to the next question. So what is the next question here? Next question is given 25 multiply with 5 to the power 2 and multiply with t to the power 8 upon 10 to the power 3 multiply with t to the power 4, isn't it? So this we have to solve now. Now 25 can be written as what? 5 into 5. So in place of 25, what you will write? 5 into 5 means what? 5 square. Okay, in place of 25 you will write 5 square. Now again 10 can be written as what is the factor of 10? Factor of 10 is 2 into 5, isn't it? Factor of 10 is 2 into 5. So in place of 10 you will write 2 into 5 to the power 3. Okay, I will show you the proper solution for this question. So this is the solution of question number 2. So 25, what we can write? 5 into 5, isn't it? 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 means here you can see all base are same. That means power you can do plus. So no power means we have to assume 1, isn't it? So 5 to the power 1 plus 1 plus 2, and t will remain t to the power 8, and it will remain same. Now in place of 10, what we can write? 5 into 10 isn't it? 5 into 10. Now 5 into 10 to the power 3. That means this power 3 is for 5 also and for 2 also. So it will become 5 to the power 3 also and 2 to the power 3 also. Then t to the power 4. Now which are same here? Now here we got 5 to the power 4 multiply with t to the power 8 and 5 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 3 and t to the power 4. Now you can see 5. Now which are same, you have to do, so you have to solve them, isn't it? So now here you can see 5 and here also you can see 5 are same. So 5 to the power 4 upon 3. So they are same, they are divide. So you will do, so power you have to do what? Minus, and this 2 is single, isn't it? There is no any other 2, but t you can see 2 t is there, t to the power 8 and t to the power 4. So these are divide and you will do minus. Now t to the power 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, isn't it? So what you will get? 4 minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 1 and t to the power 4, and 2 to the power 3 is remaining. 2 to the power 3 means what? 2 into 2 into 2. So what is the answer? 5 upon 8 and t to the power 4 is the answer. So what is the answer? 5 t to the power 4 upon 8 is the answer for this question. So I have written here which law of exponential I am using. I have written also. Okay, you also have to write which law of exponential you are using to solve this question. Now come back to the next question. So what is remaining? This last question I will keep as a homework. Okay, if you have any doubt you can comment below. So please try to solve this question. Here it is given 3 to the power 5 multiply with 10 to the power 5 multiply with 25 upon 5 to the power 7 multiply with 6 to the power 5. Okay, this is your homework. So this was the last question of this exercise. So thank you all of you for watching my video. So in the next video I will come with the next exercise of this chapter. So till that, thank you all of you and take care and bye bye, and see you soon in the next video.